Hello everyone, good morning or good evening, wherever you are. Today I will show you how to fix this problem on your Twitch, easy and quick. So let's learn how to fix it right now. So all what you need to do is to open your settings of your device. Go right now, click on your apps option, and here you have to search for Twitch. So guys, click on it like this. Scroll right now this list, click storage option, click clear cache. After that you have to back and click on force stop and click right now OK. So right now go to Play Store or App Store, update your Twitch. After updating Twitch, restart your mobile phone. After that you will find that this problem is being solved with you. So don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and bye.